Looking to create amazing animations without breaking the bank? In this video, we're counting down the 9 best free animation software that you can start using right now. First up, we have Blender. Known for its 3D modeling capabilities, Blender is a powerhouse for animators. It offers a full suite for 3D animation, rigging, and even video editing. Whether you're working on complex scenes or simple animations, Blender has you covered. Next, we have OpenToonz. This open-source software has been used by Studio Ghibli, so you know it's legit. It's designed for 2D animation, 3D. If you're into creating lifelike 3D characters, check out Des 3D. It's especially popular for character animation, and it comes with a library of assets you can use right away. Plus, it's free to start, so you can bring your characters to life without paying a dime. Animation Paper is next on our list. This software is built for traditional animators who love hand-drawn styles. It's lightweight, easy to learn, and great for storyboarding or creating frame-by-frame animations. 5. Krita. It isn't just for digital painting. It's also packed with animation tools. This open-source program is great for 2D animators who want to sketch and animate within the same software. At number 6, Pencil 2D. This software is perfect for beginners who want to create traditional, hand-drawn animations. With a super simple interface, you can focus on animating rather than getting lost in too many tools. At number 7, Powtoon. If you need animations for presentations or explainer videos, Powtoon is for you. While it's more geared towards creating professional, engaging slideshows, Powtoon lets you animate scenes and characters with ease, making it ideal for business needs. At number 9, Synfig Studio. Looking for vector-based animation? Synfig Studio has you covered. This 2D animation software uses vector graphics, which means you can create complex animations without losing quality. It's great for web animations, cartoons, or any project that requires clean lines. And there you have it, 9 of the best free animation software out there. Whether you're creating 3D models, traditional animations, or vector art, there's a tool here for every type of animator. So go ahead, download a few, and start bringing your ideas to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which software you're most excited to try.